Add a splash of color to your front porch and yard with these beautiful 4th of July American bunting flags. Celebrate Independence Day with these fade-proof American flag bunting banners that are made to last. Get ready for a patriotic atmosphere with durable and double-stitched USA pleated fan flags. Install these outdoor 4th of July bunting flags easily and securely with the reinforced canvas header and sturdy brass grommets. Create a festive ambience for Independence Day celebrations with this wide range of patriotic decorations. Make your 4th of July memorable by hanging these patriotic bunting banners in various locations, such as your porch or garden. Share an impressive patriotic moment with your loved ones as you celebrate important national holidays throughout the year. Elevate your outdoor decor game this summer season without breaking the bank using these vibrant American-themed flags.